Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab M7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Connected Devices and select Connection Preferences right away. Over here, select Printing and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher. Then click on the back button and tap on Add Service. Over here, just install the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Now just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!